How to fix WhatsApp temporarily unavailable on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First just open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and then just click WhatsApp, and then click storage here, and now all you need to do just click clear cache, and then go to permissions, enable all of those permissions here, and then go back, go to data usage, enable background data, maybe you will find it like that, and then click force stop here, force stop, and then restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.